Hi, my name is Mallory Stern, and I just finished my 200-hour YogaRenew teacher training course.
YogaRenew stood out compared to the other programs because it's self-paced. It is easy to follow. That's the biggest thing. There's really no confusion. The YogaRenew team is so quick to get back to you if you have any questions.
Just like the whole program, even with practicing for 11 years, I learned so much.
I'm so excited about it. I loved this course. I loved the program.
The support you get from all of these people is incredible. You feel like you're not doing it alone.
It definitely prepares you for a life on the mat, and whether it be teaching and having it be a career or just in your own personal practice. And I honestly would confidently recommend YogaRenew to anyone.
I would highly, highly recommend them.
I can't thank you enough, YogaRenew, for transforming my future for me.